Right now, the immigration sentiment score has nudged up to plus 0.10, but the momentum is dipping at minus 0.26. This unusual combination suggests that while there's a slight positive shift in sentiment, the overall interest is waning. This could indicate a temporary uptick in optimism, but with decreasing engagement, it's a signal to watch closely. Our API returns nuanced sentiment insights, including trends and semantic clusters, allowing you to understand complex public opinions. For instance, you might use this data to adjust your content strategies for immigration-related topics, ensuring you're aligned with shifting sentiments while also recognizing the underlying momentum trends. To dive deeper into the data and start building, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.